This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Headlamp bulbs renewal. Position the jack under the front subframe rear mounting and raise the vehicle. Now place axle stands in position, then lower the vehicle onto the axle stands and remove the jack. Undo the screws at the front of the upper section of the wheel arch liner and pull back the liner to access the headlamp. Reach up, rotate the cover anti-clockwise and remove it from the rear of the lamp. Rotate the bulb holder anti-clockwise slightly and remove the bulb with the bulb holder, then pull the bulb from the bulb holder. Press the new bulb into the bulb holder. Then fit the bulb holder into the headlight and rotate it clockwise to secure. Now refit the headlight cover. Refit the upper section of the wheel arch liner and tighten the fasteners to secure the liner in place. Position the jack, raise the vehicle, and remove the axle stands. Lower the vehicle to the ground and remove the jack. Check that all bulbs operate correctly before driving the vehicle.